Ready?
Yeah.
So, what are we doing today,
Hey,
Orazio?
Harry, did you finish everything here for today?
Yes.
What did you plant?
Well, this first row here is zucchini,
Zucchini,
and here are bell peppers,
bell peppers, we call pepperoni.
pepperoni, yes. And over there, the third row was, John,
Melanzoni.
Menzo.
Aubergine.
aubergine,
Aubergine, eggplant.
eggplant, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You know something, Harry? You did a good, beautiful work.
I did a good job.
Yeah, you did a good job. That's your
How about Joan?
John was the master director.
Okay.
And that's the payment for the work you did today.
3 eggs for total.
3 eggs.
I used to get paid 1,000 a day.
Well, now,
Now 3 eggs is good.
natural and biological.
That's one by
Oh, then it's good.
Naturally,
Perfect.
This is 500. That another 500.
A
Today you
bonus.
got paid 1,500.
1,000.
More than you get paid when you were young.
Yay!
Orazio. Ciao.
Ciao.
Do I hit on top a little bit or not?
Yeah.
Do we have a...
With this.
That? Here, hold, you hold.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Now 1 more meter. Okay. And we go along, well, should we go at an angle or straight? Oh, good. Okay.
There's the garden. So in this corner we have some vines. Always the vines. And over there are the chickens. And over here they are going to plant a garden. Beautiful soil. Look at that earth. Nice. Peppy has planted some more vines way up there. Now for the raking. Leveling and raking. The sticks are in.
So, Maya is lying in the dirt, enjoying life. Orazio is raking away, just finished putting in all the posts. Yeah, try and turn it, no, don't have it upside down the rake, Orazio. And Joan is in her hundreds of dollars worth of jeans and shirts and shoes. She's in her modeling pose, yeah. And Orazio is just giving her ciao. Oh, you're Mexican, yeah. Of course you're Mexican. But I have boots. I bought decent boots. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 new vines here. that were planted probably last year.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and then over here, look, on the other side of the garden, look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new ones. Orazio, this tree here, what's the name of this tree?
Fig.
That's the fig tree? Did you plant another fig tree? Oh, up there or
This one we made from the sprout of the old tree
But
with
did you plant
baby.
2 fig trees this year?
We made it from a branch.
And
the
one-
other one that we bought it.
One up by the Buddha. Okay. And this tree over here, Orazio, what is this one? Peach? Ah, perfect. Good. Okay. Well, 2 rows are in. The first row is, what was the first row again, Orazio? Zucchini, and the next row is bell peppers, and they call them pepperonis here.
Yeah.
And now we're planting eggplants.
That they call melanzane or aubergine.
Melanzane or aubergine. Huh. Perfecto. Okay.